Let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you I raised my credit score 120 points? In just 90 days, no credit cards, no extra spending, nothing shady, nothing illegal. If your credit score feels stuck, broken, or honestly just embarrassing, stay with me because this might change everything. Hey, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I raised my credit score by 120 points in 90 days, step by step. No guru tricks, no stacking credit cards, no fake internet hacks, just real actions, things anyone can do. And yes, they actually work. Here's the truth no one really tells you. Most people think they need a credit card to build credit. They think bad credit takes years to fix. They think once your score drops, you're stuck. That's not true. My credit score wasn't terrible, but it was bad enough to hurt. I got denied for loans. I paid higher interest, and I felt judged every time I applied for anything. The worst part, I wasn't even making mistakes anymore, but my past mistakes, they were still haunting me. So I decided to test something. What if I stopped listening to what people say works and focused on how credit scores actually work? That's when everything changed. Before I show you what I did, you need to understand this. Your credit score is mainly based on payment history, credit utilization, account age, credit mix, and inquiries. Notice something? You don't need credit cards to improve any of these. Once I realized that, I built a plan. The first thing I fixed was payment history. This was the biggest factor. I pulled my full credit report, not just the score. I looked for late payments, old collections, and straight-up errors. I disputed inaccurate late payments online. That alone boosted my score fast. I contacted collection agencies and negotiated pay-for-delete deals. And I set up automatic payments on every bill I had, even the small ones. Missed payments destroy credit. Perfect. Payments rebuild it fast. Within the first 30 days, my score was already climbing. Next, I lowered my utilization without opening a single credit card. Most people think utilization only applies to cards. That's wrong. Any revolving account counts. Paid down existing balances aggressively. I asked for balance reclassification where possible, and I closed accounts that were hurting my ratio. Lower utilization means instant score boosts. This step alone added dozens of points. Then I used a powerful, completely legal strategy. I became an authorized user. I asked someone with a long credit history, perfect payment records, and low utilization to add me as an authorized user. I didn't get the card. I didn't spend anything, but their positive history showed up on my credit report. And just like that, my credit looked stronger. After that, I added non-credit card accounts. I used a credit builder loan. I added rent reporting. I reported utility and phone bills. These accounts showed consistent payments, improved my credit mix, and built history without new debt. I wasn't borrowing more money. I was just finally getting credit for bills I already paid. Then I did something most people ignore. I stopped damaging behaviors. I stopped applying for random credit. I stopped obsessively checking my score. And I stopped making emotional financial decisions. Every inquiry hurts. Every panic move slows progress. Credit repair is boring, but boring works. After 90 days, my credit score jumped 120 points. Approvals started coming in. Interest rates dropped. And my financial confidence skyrocketed. And remember, I did all of this without opening a single credit card. This works if your credit is fair or bad. If you've made mistakes in the past. And if you want control, not more debt. It won't happen overnight, but it happens fast enough to matter. If this helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Comment below. What's your credit score goal? And if you want real-world money, strategies, not fake guru advice, subscribe and turn on notifications. Post content designed to actually help you win financially. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next